This is how you make the half double crochet. So as you can see here, I've started with the foundation chain already, and we will start by wrapping the yarn and put our hook in the third chain stitch from our hook. We will grab yarn and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. We will grab yarn again and pull through all of them. And now you should have 1 loop left on your hook. And this is our first half double crochet, and we will do it again. Put our hook in the very next chain stitch, grab yarn and pull through, 3 loops on our hook, grab yarn and pull through all of them. And now we will finish this row, and I will show you how to turn our project. So we will start by chain 2, and this will work as our first half double crochet in the second row. So let's turn our project, and we will put the hook in the first stitch of this row, and be careful not to put it in the turning loops. And then you just go continue your half double crochet. And there you have it.